Is that that's a helicopter. Yo, they got the whirly bird on us. Yo, open the door.
I stopped complaining, I went to go get it. I had to get focused and start paying attention. I started slipping, my palm started itching. I had to start thinking, I miss Sunday listen. I got some niggas that come from the bottom. They handle my shit from New Hampshire to Bristol. Y'all but I party and while I work like a slave, put myself in position. Never these focus, I like on the mission. I mean what I say, don't got time to pretend it. I don't got time to fuck around with you niggas. I don't got time to fuck around. You feeling offended, stop looking at me.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Rockoff Johnson here with another video. And in case you can't tell from the title of the video, we're about to take my race car. It's, as you can see, it snowed. Winter Wonderland, Baltimore snowstorm. Hello, 2021. But I got my race car here. In case you're not used to this car, if you don't know anything about this car, this is my Built Motor Turbo FR 440, 60 horsepower. Something like that. It's not that right now because it's on pump gas, so it's more so around like 380 horsepower. But either way, fun car. But this is still on my drag radials, and as you can see, it is on right now. I got the cold start. Well, it's not cold start, it's all warmed up now. But while I was out here, I was thinking to myself, that'd be funny if someone made a video doing a burnout to see if it melted the snow and ice from around the tires. But given the fact that I have a race car, I can do it myself. So that's what we're gonna do today. Now let's go ahead and put down in the comments what your predictions are, because my predictions are exactly nothing. I think it's gonna just like basically dig myself in this little hole, in a little rut right here, and maybe get a little bit from that spot, and maybe because there's no, you get what I'm saying, because it's touching concrete there, so maybe a little bit of rubber, but I'm not gonna be able to it's not gonna burn out all the snow and ice from around here. I don't think it is. If it does though, that I'll be shocked, and I'll be like, hey, I will just shut my mouth. But yeah, the car is warmed up for the most part. Well, that's basically warm. It's been sitting for about 10-15 minutes. I don't care about all the snow and ice being on it because I have my daily out there, and that's actually cleaned off now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. By the way, don't forget that merch down in the description below. Come on, guys, y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't forget to also hit up the Cash App if you want to give to the channel so we can do more cool stuff like this. Alright, so while I have someone recording out there, we're gonna go ahead, press hold that. Traction control is off. Got the polo boost down here. Don't mind that. Up in there. Got the polo boost down here. About to put in some work. Let's go. Yo, that was rowdy. So let's see what happened. Burning rubber everywhere. But it didn't melt anything around it. It just melted exactly what I said was under it. And now we got rubber just kicked out everywhere. Oh my God. That probably looks crazy on the camera. Golly, look at that. Oh man. Well, I guess I can't sell this house now that I got burnt. Now that I got burnt tires all under there. But yeah, guys, this is just a quick little video. I hope you guys like it. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you get a merch link down in the description below. I'm happy y'all was able to push aside your problems and have some fun with me. And as always, guys, you stay classy. Hey, what are you doing? You said it's sticky? Yeah. Is it really? Well, I thought you say. Oh, actually it is. Oh my God, look at that. Them Mickey Thompsons, boy, what y'all know about that? Even in the snow, we still sticking. Hook and book out here. Where Mark? Man, where Mark when you need him? Man, as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. Yeah. What is a car enthusiast? An individual that loves anything to do with cars and its counterparts, and one who can talk for hours about cars and not get tired of it.